Come spend a day with us as we explore some of the beautiful places here in Armenia. First stop, Sagmo-Savank Monastery. And this is what you can see inside. At may naabutan pa nga kaming nasa isang ceremony. And I'm not sure if it's a wedding. Well, anyways, lumabas na nga ako baka pag hinalaan pa akong chismosa. And guys, look at this view. This beautiful 13th century monastery sits right beside the dramatic Casa Gorge. But wait. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? If not, correct me na lang. Hi, sobrang sayang lang. Naiwan itong cameraman natin yung drone. Okay, moving on. Next up, the Armenian Alphabet Monument. And yes may giant stone letters talaga sila dedicated to their alphabet. And you know guys, they have 39 letters. Kung yung English alphabet has only 26, sila 39. OMG, ang dami.
Say hi to our tour guide. He's Armenian.
Biglang na-pressure yata itong tour guide namin dahil 2 months pa lang pala siya dito sa Armenia at binibiro ko siyang magpanggap siyang Armenian. And on to our next stop. Actually, hindi talaga namin alam kung ano yung next stop. Tinanong lang namin si tour guide Gab, are we going to the snow? Tapos sabi niya, yes. Akala naman namin nagjo-joke lang siya kasi hello, summer ngayon. Kaya nga I'm wearing my summer dress eh. Tapos doon na ako nagtaka, itong driver namin who's a local Armenian biglang nag-stop at kinuha yung jacket niya sa likod. Nasa isip ko pa nung una, ay lamigin siya. Pero hello, kami pala yung mali yung outfit. So good luck talaga sa amin.
This is Mount Aragats, the highest mountain in Armenia, rising about 4,090 meters and 13,419 feet above sea level.
And here we are at Kari Lake, also known as the Stone Lake, right below Mount Aragats. At nakita ko pa nga itong si Tatang na maliligo pa yata sa lake na para bang wala lang. Samantalang ako, pinaninindigan ko na lang talaga itong outfit ko. Tapos may nakita kaming nagbabenta ng mais. Trinay na namin, ang cutie kasi nung tendero.
Juicy ba? Ba't may asin?
Mas masarap. Para may flavor yung asin niya.
Baka betchin yan.
Pula-pula.
Then biglang may lumapit sa amin, inalok kaming mag-ATV. And syempre, game na game tayo sa mga ganyang adventure. Sa sobrang tagtag nga, uminit na yung katawan ko. Pagdating naman sa taas, grabe, sobrang worth it. And ang ganda ng view. I really enjoyed kahit medyo masakit sa puwet nung paakyat kami. At ayan si ate mukhang naidunzulweta pa. Halaka, baka uwi ka ni kuya. And next up, wine tasting. At ito na yung sinasabing papunta na tayo sa exciting part. We were actually supposed to go to the wine castle pero may exclusive event daw. Kaya dito kami dinala ni Gab. But overall, sobrang saya and sometimes talaga yung mga unexpected stops pa yung nagiging highlight ng trip. Thank you so much MK Travel and Tours for showing us a different side of Armenia and for making us feel like family throughout the trip. Definitely a day well spent. Thank you for watching guys!